Hello, I'm here to talk to you about quantum physics, what it is and how it works. Quantum physics is a branch of physics that deals with things that are small and behave in ways that are not completely predictable using classical physics. So, what does that mean? Well, for example, when you take a photon, which is a very small piece of light, and you break it up, you might be able to see individual atoms in the photon. But if you recombine those atoms, the photon will still behave the same way it did when you split it up, which is weird because you would think that if you put the atoms back together, they would be able to communicate with each other and change the properties of the photon. So, how does quantum physics explain this behavior? Well, it's all about the concept of wave-particle duality. Classically, light is just waves. It spreads out and doesn't have a defined shape. But when you take a photon and break it up, you can still see individual atoms in it, which means that the photon is actually made up of smaller and smaller waves that are all moving in different directions. These waves can interact with each other, and they can also interact with the waves in other photons, which is what makes things like teleportation and entanglement possible. Now, it's important to remember that quantum physics is a really weird and complex field of physics. It's not something that you can really understand by just reading about it, but it's a really fascinating one, and it's always amazing to me how much we still don't know about the world around us. Thanks for watching.